Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel A to Z Creative, where we create arts and crafts from A to Z. I recently came across candle making and thought it would be a great business idea since we love scented candles. I wanted to try the art of making one, but I decided to start with wax melts first since they require fewer materials. So in this video, I'll show you how I made my first wax melts and the lessons I learned along the way. I'm using Freedom All Natural Soy Wax, Warm Vanilla Sugar Fragrance Oil, and Heart-Shaped Mold from Temu. From my research on YouTube, I learned that for every 1 pound of soy wax, you will need 1 ounce of fragrance oil. But since this is just a test batch, I'm using 1/4 pound of soy wax and 1/4 ounce of fragrance oil. I honestly found it difficult to weigh the fragrance oil using this scale. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. I'm melting the soy wax using this double boiler method. The wax melts at 185 degrees Fahrenheit, which is also the best time to add the fragrance oil and coloring. Then, I waited until the temperature dropped to 145 degrees Fahrenheit before pouring it into the mold. Watching this time lapse is so satisfying. The drying time actually isn't that too long, probably about an hour. And here's my first wax melt. It actually looks frosty, so I did some research and learned that I should have used a different type of wax. Many experts recommended paraffin wax or 494 wax for wax melts. I'm planning to try different types of wax to see which one works best. I will keep learning and experimenting with candle and wax melt making until I feel confident enough to sell them. Experts also recommend waiting for 2 weeks before using wax melts to allow the fragrance to cure. But of course, I couldn't wait that too long, so I tested mine right away. It actually worked great and the scent lasted for 2 weeks. If you have any tips or suggestions, please leave a comment below and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.